Hello and welcome to Unlock Your True Potential, the ultimate guide to overcoming obstacles and achieving success. In this video, we'll be exploring the mindset shifts, habits, and strategies that you can use to unlock your full potential and achieve success in any area of your life. The first step to unlocking your true potential is to understand your mindset. Your mindset refers to the beliefs, attitudes, and values that shape how you approach challenges, setbacks, and opportunities. In order to achieve success, you need to have a growth mindset, which is characterized by a belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and learning from your mistakes. In contrast, a fixed mindset is characterized by a belief that your abilities and intelligence are fixed and cannot be changed. This mindset can be limiting because it can cause you to give up easily when faced with challenges or setbacks. To shift from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset, you need to focus on the process of learning and improvement, rather than just the outcome. Once you have a growth mindset, the next step is to learn how to overcome obstacles. Obstacles can come in many forms, such as fear, self-doubt, procrastination, or external challenges such as lack of resources or support. To overcome obstacles, you need to develop resilience, which is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep going in the face of adversity. One way to develop resilience is to practice self-compassion, which means treating yourself with kindness and understanding, even when you make mistakes or experience setbacks. Self-compassion can help you bounce back from setbacks faster and prevent negative self-talk from taking over. Another way to overcome obstacles is to develop a growth mindset around failure. Failure is an inevitable part of the learning process, and if you can learn to embrace failure as a learning opportunity, you can use it to fuel your growth and progress. Another way to overcome obstacles is to develop a growth mindset around failure. Failure is an inevitable part of the learning process, and if you can learn to embrace failure as a learning opportunity, you can use it to fuel your growth and progress. One effective strategy for building positive habits is to use the habit loop model. This model consists of three parts: the cue, the routine, and the reward. The cue is the trigger that prompts you to perform the habit, the routine is the habit itself, and the reward is the positive outcome you get from performing the habit. By understanding the habit loop, you can identify the cues and rewards that drive your habits and make intentional changes to create positive habits that support your success. Finally, to unlock your true potential and achieve success, you need to set goals and take action. Goals provide direction and focus for your efforts, and they help you measure progress and track your success. When setting goals, it's important to make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Once you've set your goals, the next step is to take action. Taking action means breaking your goals down into smaller, manageable steps and consistently working toward them every day. To stay motivated and focused, it can be helpful to have an accountability system in place, such as a mentor, coach, or accountability partner. Now that you have a better understanding of the mindset, habits, and strategies that can help you unlock your true potential, it's time to put them into action. Remember, achieving success is not a one-time event, but a journey that requires ongoing effort, commitment, and self-reflection. It's important to keep learning, growing, and adapting as you move forward. Here are some additional tips and strategies that can help you continue to unlock your true potential. Stay curious. Keep an open mind and a sense of curiosity about the world around you. Ask questions, seek out new experiences, and be willing to try new things. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being is essential for achieving success. Make sure to prioritize self-care activities, such as exercise, healthy eating, and stress management. Surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positive people, environments, and messages can help you stay motivated, inspired, and focused on your goals. Celebrate your successes. Take time to acknowledge and celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Celebrating your successes can help boost your confidence and reinforce positive habits and behaviors. Keep learning and growing. Finally, remember that learning and growth are ongoing processes. Stay curious, seek out new experiences and challenges, and keep pushing yourself to reach your full potential. With these tips and strategies in mind, you're well on your way to unlocking your true potential and achieving success in any area of your life. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey that requires effort, commitment, and a willingness to keep learning and growing. So keep pushing yourself, stay focused on your goals, and never stop striving for your best self.